Alrighty, hello guys. This is Wild. Today I'm bringing you a box of one of the two new bunko sets, or weiss schwarz sets. This is the bunko Volume 2 set. So let's get into the opening. There we go. I've opened up quite a bit of this set. I do enjoy it. It is a nice set to open. You get a lot of different cards for different stuff, but even that different stuff can actually work together with itself. And we got a going second. All right, I have an issue with going second right now because this is my, I think, fourth box I've opened of this set, and all four boxes have had going seconds. So, but you know what? We're gonna go on. Oh, sorry, guys. Alrighty, let's start us off. We got an Onwards to Kyoto. Nice. Oh, sweet. SR right off the bat. Who was lonely? Cecilia or Silica? Pretty cool, pretty cool. And for our normal rare, we ended up drinking stream Shua-chan. All right. We got another double R here, full Erna. And for our rare, Tomboyish Maiden Minatsu. Nice. I need two of these. Here's one of them. Sworn Partners Rias. Pretty good. Nice. We got another SR. Awakened Pep Talk Kanami. And for our rare, Play Fighting Kurumi. Always nice to see Data Live stuff. Speaking of Data Live, they actually have that new movie that's supposed to be out, I believe it's sometime this year, so maybe early next year. We got a Rebuilding Amagi Brilliant Park Isuzu. All right. We got another SR, Dream Speaker Thea. And for our whereabouts of the plush Teletha. Oh, dropping things. All right. Moving along. Ooh, nice. Repeating Resolve Kurumi. Really nice to see that. And moving forward, Sistine. Nice to see that, Kurumi. So far, pretty good box. Really would like to see a sign card maybe, but not gonna complain. We have a double rare, Peaceful Days Forever, Kanami and Teletha. And Path to Happiness, Rumia. Pretty cool. We'll definitely have to do a video on the deck I built for this set. All right. Heck yes. Love Beyond Servant and Master Rias. I need like 2 more of these. So I love seeing this. And for our rare, we got Forgetter and Net. Here we go. The Demon Slayers, Gory and Lena. Not familiar with this one, so. Cool, another double rare. A Brief Respite Eve. Lots of double rares in this box. And Reforging Destiny Megumi. Alrighty, guys. Last pack. Let's see if we can get anything good. Alright, we just got a rare here. World Ruling Ambition Nobuma, and Yoshiharu. Some pretty good stuff in this box. Can't complain. Alrighty, guys. You have a good rest of your day. And you know what? Why don't leave a comment on what your favorite anime is. Mine is actually Fairy Tail. So why don't you share with yours? Peace.